Hi, do you suffer from dry, damaged hair or looking for a solution to grow your hair naturally? If you'd answered yes to one of those questions or all of them, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how rice water is an effective way to grow your hair naturally. Rice water is Asia's best kept ancient secret. Did you know that there is a village in China called the Red Yao where the women there bathe and rinse their hair in rice water? And it's been reported that their hair has grown to the lengths of 6 feet and longer. I think that's absolutely amazing. I mean, I eat rice like 3 times a day, and there we go. I found it. I actually have a rice strainer. It's really handy. I got it at the Asian market. If you are in Southern California, it's called Ranch 99. It's really awesome because it has slots. It from further damage. After you've allowed the rice solution to ferment, and again, it's the window of 1 to 3 days being 2 to 3 prime, you're going to go ahead and unscrew it, and hopefully it's not too smelly. I have this strainer here that's perfect, and I have a plastic probably around shoulder length. So I feel like it grew significantly. I am really happy with the results, and this is why I'm you could be losing hair from hormones, from stress, from your diet, and so this is why I feel like this rice water treatment is an effective treatment, because it's cheap, you have the ingredients at home, and it's natural. So any nursing moms out there can give this a try. Teens can give this a try. Just one more thing, so I said once a week, you just shampoo your hair. You want to definitely have clean hair. And then next, you bring your rice water treatment, and this is why I like to have it in a plastic container. Between the warmth of the shower and the length of time you spend in shaving, it really gets into your scalp. Make sure to massage it into your hair cuticles, and then afterwards you rinse it off, and then you use your favorite conditioner, and then you're done. And to being properly hydrated, so make sure to do that. The combination of that and this rice water treatment will yield really great results. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Thine Own Style Be True, like this video and share. I'm Debbie Savage, and thank you for watching To Thine Own Style Be True. Bye. Here's to long, healthy, smooth hair. So if you don't mind, I have some pampering to do, and I'll see you next week.